Another guilty beat.
Zagadat. Same question.
So guys, these are the fabrics that I'm going to use. That's my zipper, and these are my fabrics. So they are the same fabric but different colors. So I have white and black. I'm going to put the white aside. I'm going to use that for the sleeve, and I'm going to use the black side for the body. So after drawing a curve to join the neckline points, go ahead and mark the shoulder. So you mark it 10.5 inches, and you stand on this shoulder point and come down 2 inches. Once that is done, get a ruler and draw a line to the neckline point. So guys, after the cutting, I'm gonna go ahead and make the pockets for the front. Guys, I know this fabric is a bit too dark for you to see the markings, but I have a separate video where I take my time to show you how to make the pocket. And so if you will check the other videos, you will find it there. It is extremely detailed. Thank you. So guys, once the pocket is done, go ahead and grab the back and pin it together. Now join the shoulders of the lining to the shoulders of the fabric. And pin them together. Once that is done, measure the circumference of the bottom of the jacket, and we are going to use that measurement to cut the elastic band. So here I got 55. So for the elastic band, I'm gonna fold it on it, and I'm gonna measure 3.5 inches, and I'm gonna cut. So after cutting, join it on one edge to the other, and don't worry because you can see the fabric is bigger than the elastic, but because it is elastic, we are going to stretch it for it to match. So we're going to pull it whilst we're sewing it, but make sure you join the sides of the lining to the sides of the main fabric so that it matches. So as you can tell here, both sides are matching each other perfectly. So guys, before I started sewing the elastic band to the jacket, I left 1/2 inch like I did when I was cutting the shirt, and that is where we're gonna fix our zipper. So here you're gonna fold the 1/2 inch in, and you're gonna put the zipper in the middle, just like that. Guys, if you folded the 1/2 inch in, this side should be really easy for you. So guys, after pinning it, close the zipper and make sure that the band is matching. Like you can see here, this is perfect. If you close it and it's not matching, you can just take the pins out and repin them again to make sure it matches correctly. So guys, the sleeve length is 26 inches, but make sure you cut 23 inches because we're going to cut the elastic band for the rest of the sleeve. So make sure you leave about 3 to 4 inches. And again, if you want a detailed video of how to cut a sleeve, it is very simple. I have such video. You can check my other videos. Thank you. So after cutting the lining for the sleeve, we are going to cut the elastic band for the wrist. So guys, when you finish sewing, turn the main fabric inside out and grab the elastic band for the wrist. Unfortunately, my camera did not really capture this part, but I'm gonna try my best to explain it better to you. So here what I'm doing is I took the elastic band and I put it on the fabric, and I took the lining and I put it over. So I don't know if you get it, but the elastic band is in the middle. It's in between the lining and the main fabric. Yeah. So once you finish preparing the sleeve, go ahead and grab the jacket. So measure the armhole to make sure you have the correct measurement. If you don't have it, then you can go ahead and trim it to the right size. So after attaching the sleeves, you can see everything is coming together. Measure the circumference of the neck and cut the collar for it. I don't know if that is collar, but cut the elastic band for the neck. So I cut the width of the band 3 inches, and the length is the same as the length of the circumference of the jacket. Pin the elastic band to the jacket and sew it